In manufacturing, a clean surface is not just a quality requirement, it is the foundation of everything that comes after. What you are watching is a mild steel engine component being cleaned and degreased through a spray jet machine using REFA's industrial cleaning chemical. Post-machining, metal components carry oils, chips, and burrs on their surface. If these contaminants are not removed completely, coatings fail, millipore values are missed, and quality rejections follow. REFA's degreaser penetrates and removes machining oils, metal chips, and surface contaminants from complex geometries, delivering a clean, oil-free surface ready for millipore testing, coating, or further processing. The chemical is eco-friendly and RoHS compliant, making it suitable for manufacturers supplying to domestic and international markets with strict environmental and quality standards. REFA's cleaning chemicals are trusted by auto component manufacturers, engine manufacturers, and precision machining companies across India, including facilities running more than 35 spray jet machines on our formulations. Beyond degreasing, REFA manufactures a complete range of surface treatment chemicals, phosphating, passivation, pickling, rust preventives, cutting fluids, ultrasonic cleaning chemicals, and more, across 19+ product categories. If surface preparation is a challenge in your production line, REFA has the solution. Visit www.refachemical.com or call us at +91 99711 05977.